Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a simple program where we're going to iterate through an array, and then when we reach a certain number we're going to exit that array and we're going to go into another subroutine and print out a message. So without further ado, and before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so we're going to create a subroutine up here. So this is sub. Let me just zoom in a little bit there. So sub, and I'm going to call it iter for iterate. ESC escape array. So we're going to iterate through it and escape when we come to a certain point. So I'm just going to create my array here. Call it array 1, and it's just going to be populated with numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There we go. And we're going to use 4 here. Array 1. Oops. I'm going to use the scalar iter. So we're going to use this to go through the array. Now we're going to create a conditional with if. So if iter is equal to 8, we're going to do something. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through this array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 using the iterator here, and when we reach 8 we're going to do something here. So we're going to type message, because I'm going to create another subroutine called message. Create a subroutine underneath here. Sub message, and we're going to print a message to the user saying that found number 8. Now all we need to do now is type under here the name of this, which is iter escape array. Iter escape array, and save it, and then we're just going to run the program here in the terminal. So that's going to be Raku est. Raku. Let's hit enter. Okay, found number 8. So basically it's iterated all the way through the array and it's found number 8. So there you go. Short, simple program. Anyway, I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.